Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view financial year statement of your HDFC Bank credit card. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Cards section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where all the credit cards linked to your account are displayed. Click the arrow button next to the credit card you want to manage. You will be taken to Credit Card Summary page. Scroll down to find the section called Actions. Under this section, look for Financial Year Statement link. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Select the duration for the financial year statement you need. The file format will default to PDF. Click Confirm to proceed. Your request for the financial year statement has been successfully submitted. The statement will be sent to your registered email address within 2 working days. Thank you for watching.